Today we're going to talk about cell division and mitosis. The diagram that you see on this title slide is of the process of mitosis. It shows each phase or each stage of this cell division process. Unicellular organisms reproduce through cell division. Multicellular organisms use cell division to grow, develop, repair, and reproduce cells. Genetic material in cells are contained in the DNA molecules. DNA stands for deoxyribonucleic acid, which is a chemical that contains information for an organism's growth and functions. Oftentimes, you're going to hear genetic material and DNA used interchangeably because they mean the exact same thing. James Watson and Francis Crick worked together to build a model of the DNA in 1953. DNA is made of two strands of molecules joined in a structure that looks like a twisted ladder or a double helix. In a eukaryotic cell, such as a plant or an animal cell, DNA is found in the nucleus. Chromosomes are the physical structure in a cell that contains the cell's genetic material, or DNA. Humans have 46 chromosomes, or 23 pairs of them, because if you would take 46 and divide by 2, because a pair is 2, it would equal 23. In cell division, you would start out with one cell, and that one cell would divide and create two cells, and those two cells would divide again and create 4 cells. Well, those 4 cells would then divide and create 8 cells, so on and so forth. During development, cells become specialized to perform particular functions. In the human body, there's over 200 different types of cells that have different jobs to do and to carry out. The cell cycle is the normal sequence of development and division of a cell. There are 2 main phases in the cell cycle. The first is interphase, which this is where the cell carries out its functions. And then the second phase is mitosis and cytokinesis. This is where the cell actually divides. So interphase is where it's carrying out its normal functions of a cell, and with mitosis and cytokinesis, this is the shortest amount of time where the cell actually divides and creates more. Mitosis, the first phase was interphase. This is where the cell does not divide. The cell does not divide during interphase. However, what occurs during interphase is that the cell grows twice its size, it carries out the normal activities, cellular respiration takes place, and duplicates DNA. And duplicates means to make a copy of. During mitosis, this is where the nucleus divides, and it's the shortest period in the life cycle. And you can visit the Cells Alive website to see the process of mitosis take place in an animation. Cytokinesis, that's the last part of mitosis. This is where the division of the parent cell's cytoplasm takes place. It happens right after mitosis, and the new cells that are created are called daughter cells. They came from the parent cell, which was the original cell, and what's produced, which would be the offspring, is considered the daughter cells. And these are the resources that I used.